2025, our highest yielding run yet. This year, we leaned into what makes Forge, Forge. We opened new capacity with smarter scale-out. We provided fuel to more clients so every run could deliver more. We enhanced analytics so we're not just making more, we're testing it better. Because here, better manufacturing means delivering more doses from every run. This year, we attended 23 conferences, hired 140 new employees, partnered on programs spanning 19 serotypes, including novel, earned 9 awards from Best Places to Work to Most Innovative Product Development Company, strengthened our connection to patients with 3 inspiring Voices of Hope speakers, held countless employee events, volunteering, and networking that brought us together as a community, and spent nearly 300 days suited up in our CGMP suites. But those aren't the only suits we put on. So how do we do it? Let's ask the people who keep Forge moving.
Coffee.
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 Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee.
On average, over the course of a year, we drink an incredible 124,800 cups. That's nearly 30,000 liters of coffee, enough to fill a 5,000-liter bioreactor 6 times.
But seriously, coffee keeps us running, but the fact that we're ultimately helping people, that's our real motivation.
We've answered questions, solved challenges, and pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and our vision is only becoming clearer. Now, 2026 is here, and we're expecting more stellar moments. In the cafes, in the labs, in the clean rooms, under the hoods, and in the hallways. And that means more moments of impact for our clients, their patients, and their families.